This is a real-time DIY POV view installation of a Bosch air filter for a 2018 Toyota Highlander. A lot of vehicles use this same 3.5 V6 on their vehicle. Your air filter box is right here. There's two clips, very easy. You got to slip it off the back here. And it's a really easy service to do yourself. Save yourself a bunch of dollars. You can see how dirty the old air filter is. It's always good practice to check, that's my glove, the new filter versus the old. Make sure that the seals line up. So this is a Bosch filter, well-known brand, really nice quality. And you can do this in under a minute of your time. Nice and in. No point in paying someone else to do a very easy service that makes sure your vehicle is in top condition. I'm just gonna get the clip back here. Bam! Nice and in place. That's it. And you can see it takes the time of this video to install a Bosch air filter on your Toyota vehicle. If you like these type of reviews, check my channel. I've got other DIY reviews for other vehicles, or even the cabin air filter for this vehicle and an oil change in the future. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and consider following my channel. Thank you.